Hey everybody, in this video we have a word problem. Alex sells t-shirts. It costs Alex $6.50 to buy each t-shirt. For each t-shirt, Alex also pays $150 each month to rent equipment to add print to the t-shirts. Alright, Alex sells each t-shirt for $12. This is an important number. Write an inequality that can be used to determine the number of t-shirts T, it is defined for us, Alex must sell each month in order to make profit for the month. Assume that Alex sells each t-shirt he buys. So let's think together. So Alex doesn't have the equipment. He rents and he pays $150 each month, right? For 1 month. And then he also pays plus $6.50 for each t-shirt. Let's say if he buys t-shirts, he's spending this much money. This is his expense. So if he can sell all the t-shirts by $12, he can make $12 dollars. So, but we talk about the profit, right? This much money he earns 12T, but he has expenses. So if we talk about the profit, $150 for rent plus $6.50 for each t-shirt, this much money must be less than 12 times T. Otherwise, we cannot talk about the profit. What is the minimum number of t-shirts Alex must sell? Minimum number of t-shirts to make a profit in a given month. Let's solve this inequality. We have 150. Let me write nicer. We have 150 plus 650t, which is less than 12t. First step, we need to put the variables together, so I can take away 650 from both sides. 650t. Now you got rid of this. 150 is less than 12 minus 6.5 is 5.5 t. All right, last step, I need to divide both sides by 5.5 and divide by 5.5. 150 divided by 5.5 is 27.27 repeating. So 27.27 repeating is actually less than T. Remember, T is the number of t-shirts. So on the number line, 27 is here, and 26 is here, 28 is here, and 27.27 is somewhere here, right? And your number T is actually greater than 27.27. So 27.27 is less than T, in other words. So we are looking for the minimum number of T. It can be 28 or bigger, right? But minimum it is 28. So 28 satisfies this condition, and it is the minimum number that satisfies this condition. So 28 t-shirts. In short, Alex must sell minimum 28 t-shirts to make profit. I think we have time. Let's solve this inequality. Let me copy this. -9 less than or equal to negative 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 1. I can take away 3 everywhere. This is my first step. Remember, you're looking for x, right? That's why, be careful. -12 less than or equal to negative 2x. Remember, you just created a 0 here. Less than or equal to -2. Last step, we are looking for x. So you should divide everything by -2. Big warning. Let me put a star here. Big warning. When you divide everything by a negative number, you need to flip the sign of the inequality. So -12 divided by -2 is 6. -2 divided by -2 is 1. 6 is greater than or equal to x. X is greater than or equal to 1.